Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Let us solve a problem from NEET UG paper 2020. The question says, a barometer is constructed using a liquid of density 760 kg per meter cube. What would be the height of the liquid column when a mercury barometer reads 76 centimeter? Density of the mercury is given as this. So a barometer has been constructed using a liquid which has density 760 kg per meter cube. Now when the barometer reads the pressure of 76 centimeter of Hg, for that particular pressure, what will be the height of the liquid column in that barometer constructed with the given liquid? So this is the question. So let us find the pressure that the mercury barometer reads. Okay, so that will be given by this 76 centimeter of Hg. So I can write this as this in terms of SI unit. So this is in meter. So this is H. Rho is given as this, and let us keep the G as it is. And for the barometer constructed with the given liquid, let me take the height of the liquid column in that is small h, which I have to find out, and rho is given as 760 kg per meter cube, and G, let this be same, okay, on both sides. So G I can cancel from both sides. Now I can cancel 1 0 from both sides and this 76 from both sides. So what I get, H is this divided by 100, and this is in meter, which is 13.6 meter. So to read the pressure of 76 centimeter of Hg, the liquid column will be 13.6 meter in the constructed barometer. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
A lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com